Shanghai G&T Industry Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional engaging in the research, development, sale, and service of fastener. We are located in Shanghai, China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. G&T is capable of providing complex, non-standard hardware parts, combining a variety of crafts. According to the operating requirements of customers, G&T recommends customers suitable and professional economic production crafts, under the premise of ensuring the quality, so as to reduce their procurement costs. G&T has matured and professional service teams, provides 24/7 online and offline services for your R&D of new products. We have exported its hardware parts to over 80 countries around the world. We will make unremitting efforts to provide hardware parts with high quality and reasonable prices for our customers. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.